instructions right here, which is basically just saying where to put the lights. Have a help guide, basically if you have any problems to call the number. Then you have the lights in here, which is going to take too long to take them out, but I will take them out off camera and before we put them in. So all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver, a ratchet, a 10mm, and an extension. So the first thing you'll need to do is find the Phillips head screwdriver. It is right there for me, and unscrew it to be able to take off this part right here. Alright, with the marker light loose, you can pull it forward, and you can see the marker light bulb, where you can just twist it and it will come out. Before you take the housing out, you need to take these little pins out. You can just pry them off with pliers. There's 3 of them. You can pry them off with pliers, and that'll get this rubber piece loose. Then you should be able to see 2 10mm screws. There's one right in there, and there's one up here behind this wire. And once you do that, the entire housing should be loose and you can wiggle it out. Alright, now with the housing out, it's time to install the new headlight. Alright, with the new headlight in hand, all you need to do now is to line up the holes with the headlight and the marker light, and then twist them in once you get them in. Alright, with the new headlight in, you just need to re-put the little pins in that put the gasket on, and then screw it back in, and it should be good. And with the headlight in, the last thing to do is take off the plastic on the front. And step back and admire what it looks like. I did that side before filming just to know what I was doing. And I'll catch y'all tonight when we do the brightness test. Alright, so this is how bright my current headlights are without doing the upgrade. And I also have LED lights, so I'm not going to turn those on. So these are just the normal headlights. There's the other one. And right now, it only lights up about a little bit of the front of this boat and a little bit of the side. So let's see how much it lights up with the new headlights. Alright, it's dusk now, so let's see how well the brightness is. I parked in the same spot. So now, compared to my first one, you can see the entire front of the boat and the entire side of the boat and around the surrounding areas too. And those are the headlights. Keep in mind that I didn't pay anything for them. They were sent to me for free. I didn't pay the shipping